I'm Pastor Aaron Harris, and this video is about why cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin has been taken off like a rocket. In this video, you'll learn about the roller coaster journey of Bitcoin starting from 2022, looking at the present day and even beyond to the future. And if you watch till the end, you'll know whether or not investing in Bitcoin is a good investment or not. The year 2022 started off promising for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, who had seen significant gains in 2021 and was looking to go even higher. But all those hopes came crashing down when other cryptocurrencies got into trouble. It all started with FTX, which was another cryptocurrency that was a competitor of Bitcoin. FTX ran into some financial challenges. They were accused of mismanaging money and finances and resources and investments that people had given to them, and they ended up having to declare bankruptcy. When they declared bankruptcy, this made everyone skeptical about many other cryptocurrencies, and people began pulling their money out at a high rate. As a result, many cryptocurrency companies went completely bankrupt, and Bitcoin lost a lot of value. In 2022, they started with a value around $45,000, and then they ended the year with about $16,000. And it seemed like that decrease happened rapidly, and it happened overnight. These events made people wonder whether cryptocurrencies would be wiped out altogether, and it made traditional investors who had always been cynical towards cryptocurrency, it made them come out and say, we're right, we told you you shouldn't have invested in any of this. But we still had some people who believed in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These events made governments around the world crack down on their regulation of cryptocurrencies, which are not regulated like regular currencies are regulated. So Canada ended up banning leverage trades and margin trades in order for them to protect their investors from taking huge losses. In the US, we increased transparency where we made these companies divulge more information about what they were doing. So we increased our regulations. China actually softened their stance towards cryptocurrency and allowed people to do more things with cryptocurrency. And then India decided to increase taxes to cryptocurrency and put rules where people would pay 30% taxes on the money that they gained from their cryptocurrency. So let's transition from 2022 till today. How did we go from people being skeptical, withdrawing their money, the value of Bitcoin drastically decreasing, to where we are, where cryptocurrency and specifically Bitcoin is red hot? The first thing that we have to look at is market stabilization and recovery. Whereas the market for cryptocurrency just had to hit rock bottom. And so when looking at it, Bitcoin's rock bottom was about $16,000. And then once it got to that rock bottom, it had nowhere to go but up. The next factor is whale activity. And I'm not talking about the whales in the ocean. I'm talking about the big whales that are here on Earth. I'm talking about the companies that have billions of dollars and the people who are multi-millionaires that made the decision that they can go and pour a lot of money into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin while they're at their rock bottom and help them to be able to climb up, hoping that after they shoot up and drastically increase in value, that they can sell off their shares. In addition to that, support from high-profile individuals and celebrities help to be able to encourage people to get back into cryptocurrencies and to believe in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, where they can go and have a successful future. So Bitcoin has shot up, is going through the roof, and now it is on fire. And everyone has the burning question of, should I invest in it, or is it too late to invest in Bitcoin? The answer to that question is that Bitcoin is highly speculative. It's almost no way to predict how high it will go, how far it will go, when it will stop, and when it will shoot back down. The challenge with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is they go up and then they come down, and they come down just as fast, if not faster, than they're able to go up. So there is absolutely no way to predict the future of Bitcoin. If you want to look at companies like Apple and Google, you can look at their spreadsheets, you can look at their vision, you can look at their plans for the future, and you can come up with an educated guess, or you can come up with an intelligent decision on what you believe will happen with that company in the future. But with Bitcoin, it's all about human behavior. Another company can crash, Bitcoin executives can do something negative, and it can shoot it right down to the bottom. Or more people can jump on the bandwagon, more people can jump on the hype, and it can continue going through the roof. And there is absolutely no way to predict which way it's going to go. So the people who would be most interested in investing in a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin are people who have a very high risk tolerance. I recommend don't put all of your retirement into cryptocurrency. Don't put all of your money into cryptocurrency. Don't put all of your investments into cryptocurrency. But if you really want to dive in, I would say that you should take no more than 5 or 10% of what you have and test it out and see what happens. But I would not put all of your money in there. Don't put more money into cryptocurrencies than you can afford to part from, because it is a very speculative investment. If you enjoyed this video, then watch the other videos on my channel, which are all about financial literacy.